Is the keto diet right for you? If you are looking to lose fat, then you have to try this brand new custom keto meal plan. To create this service, certified nutritionists, personal trainers, and chefs united to develop keto meal plans that are effective, convenient, cost-efficient, and enjoyable. Hundreds of clients already transformed their figure, health with benefits a proper keto diet can offer. In this video, you will discover 8 scientifically proven benefits offered by the keto diet. 1. The keto diet boosts brain function. 2. The keto diet boosts mental well-being. 3. The keto diet reduces heart disease risk. 4. The keto diet can be therapeutic for various neurological diseases. 5. The keto diet can improve gut health and bowel disorders. 6. The keto diet can help you obtain and maintain a healthy weight. 7. The keto diet can help manage or even reverse diabetes. 8. The keto diet may prevent and fight some types of cancer. Do you want to enhance your health and figure while eating tasty meals you will look forward to? Check link in video description to get your custom keto meal plan now. If you are ready to take control over your weight and health, click the link in video description. Say goodbye to your fat-losing struggles and get healthy by visiting the link in video description. To your best health in video